pressure. Just going to give it a tiny half turn like that. It's really tempting to want to pump it at this point.
And you don't want to do that.
Don't jack it.
Now, is there a chance they might be a little rich? If we grab that mixture and bring it out, it would lean it out ever so slightly.
Oh yeah, chances are chances. I'm just going to let it do this.
It's still going, so yeah. Why fuck with what's working?
I mean, you got 80 psi oil pressure. It's coming to life. I'm just been introducing a little bit of throttle here. I probably could have cracked it a little more, but alternator on. At this point, we know it's going to stay running. We can turn the avionics on. Now it's kind of stabilized a little bit. We'll pull in on the prop. And the prop's flattening out. It's roaring up. Nice feel.
Oh, I'm sorry. I had a little problem just there. You can see how just by bringing that RPM up, how much it changed the PSI.